This is the 12 pack of the TRUSCEND spinning fishing spinner lures. They got the two-way spinning spoons on here. These are just really great lures. I'm newly getting into fishing, and these were recommended to me by some friends and family that are deep into fishing. They do a lot of fishing all the time, so they know their stuff. So they recommended picking these up. TRUSCEND is a really great brand. All the things I've been upgrading my tackle box to, I've been going with TRUSCEND. Very happy with them. They have a lot of good topwater lures and the ones that swim around and things like that. So when I was looking for these spoon ones, this was a no-brainer to pick up the TRUSCEND brand. But you can see here you get 12 of them, all different colors. This one's a purple, that one's blue. These range from 2 to 3 inches too. So you get 12 of them in here, and they're just, you know, various sizes, but 2 to 3 inches here you can see. They all have the shiny mirrored version on here too. And the hooks, like all the other TRUSCEND lures, they had some really great hooks. So if you're looking for the swimming fishing spinners, absolutely want to check out TRUSCEND. They come in this resealable package here if you don't want to put them all in your tackle box. But highly recommend picking these up for your fishing gear. It's a really great addition.